In this video, we're going to be going over the Razer Basilisk V3X Hyperspeed. So this is considered one of their more budget-friendly mice, but what does it have to offer? So straight out the box, we have the manual and the mouse itself. And as you guys can see, it does come included with a AA battery. As for features that this mouse provides, it has 9 programmable controls. It has a Bluetooth as well as a wireless USB dongle. The Bluetooth battery life lasts about 5.5 days, whereas the USB dongle lasts about 5 days. It also has this feature called Razer Hypershift, where you can add a whole different line of secondary commands to the mouse. Though you are going to have to install Razer Synapse in order to use this, and it's done by holding the multifunction trigger with the desired button. This mouse has 18K DPI, and it uses the Razer Gen 2 mouse switches. For the form factor, this is right-hand designed. As for the sound, this is what it sounds like. So what makes this a budget mouse in specific is the fact that it is powered by a AA battery, and the RGB is only from the scroll wheel. As for my closing thoughts, it does have minor setbacks, but it can't really complain, especially for the cost. It is a little heavy, but to be honest, it's not really noticeable. And as for the performance, it felt nice on the hand, and the clicks were satisfying. Overall, I think this brings a solid amount to the table, especially for the price.